So here we are, Discover Turnkey Excellence, and with Martin Doyle, Group Managing Director of ETG. Martin's got off to a pretty good start. It's still just after 9 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, I know. It was quite amusing, really. This morning I arrived at 8 o'clock, a little bit late, had a couple of too many beers last night, and there was a few customers waiting at the doors.
So we're now on to presentation number 2. This time round, we're looking at the Quasar 5-axis machine being fed by Euroa pallet systems.
Hello everybody and welcome. We've got Steve and Ian who are going to take us through the next presentation, and we're going to kick start with the Quasar UX 500.
So about 10 minutes ago you would have seen on Facebook the crowds in front of these two gentlemen as they were talking about this Quasar machine with the Euroa pallet system. I'm now going to talk to them about what was said during your presentation. Firstly, you, Steve, from ETG. What were you pointing out about the Quasar?
So the machine itself is designed and rated all about automation. So it's got double doors on there, and we've partnered up with REM Systems on the Euroa system, where we can introduce their full automation solution to either side of the machine.
So now we move on to the next presentation here, Discover Turnkey Excellence. This is the MX100 from Nakamura. Jamie Fletchmore is about to be put through his paces here as to his knowledge on this multitasking animal of a machine. Now the MX100 from Nakamura is one of their latest launches. It's a compact footprint machine with a milling spindle on it, full B-axis, complete multitasking. It's got a turret at the base of the machine, and it's ideal for those very, very complicated components that you need to machine accurately, quickly and efficiently. Okay, so the presentation's just finished on the MX100. Just going to catch up with Jamie. Jamie, well done, good presentation. For our audience, obviously couldn't hear some of the points you were making there. Just pick out a few that really, in your opinion, make this machine one of the highlights of the event.
Yeah, well, the basic highlight on this one is the compact spindle. So it's a new design in the marketplace. There's no other machine tool company out there that has a smaller spindle than we have. And what that benefit of that is, it gives you a bigger working envelope without the need to expand on the size of the machine.
I'm here with Barnaby from Hydro. Where did it all begin, Barnaby, your relationship with ETG?
About 6 years ago we bought 2 Chiron machines from ETG, and then 3 years ago when we decided to open a new facility, we worked with ETG on a full turnkey solution of machines, fixtures, programs and assistance, and we now have 11 Quasar machines.
And how's that gone for you? Of course it's been a success so far.
Absolutely, and our customers are really happy with the quality of the parts we've been making, and we're really happy with the way the machines have stood up over the last 24 months.
A lot of people think that automation is about big batch runs, big automotive companies, things like that. This is not about that. The whole flexibility of this is that we can have lots of different products running through the system. We've got customers that are running 350 plus different components through the system, all of which they program themselves. The key to this is the flexible vision system that's on there. And you'll see the camera system that's behind you on the screen. One screen that controls it all.
Oh, Markforged is absolutely superb in the additive manufacturing sector. I mean, their growth is absolutely phenomenal. But additive manufacturing is all about the applications and what it can achieve. So we're talking everything from metal printing down to carbon fibres. And the applications it's achieving predominantly on the Markforged is perfect for today in the CNC world for work holding, jigs, fixtures, soft jaws.
Guys, can we just grab you for a few seconds as well, just to Clinton, firstly with yourself. It's quite difficult to hear often some of the points that are made during the presentation, but tell us what you were talking about the Chiron machine and the twin spindle technology.
Okay, twin spindle technology is something that I think Chiron's known for. You know, it's Chiron's bag. You know, it's really allowing you to make parts for free, almost.
I mean, that's what I said in the build-up to this. It's two parts for the price of one, is it? Is it as simple as that?
Well, it's almost as simple as that. Yes, you're going to pay a little bit more for the machine, but you have that benefit of an extra part, but also the Chiron as well is a very, very fast machine. So when you're comparing with maybe another supplier of machines, it's going to be so much quicker.
What's this behind me, Jamie?
Yeah, well, this is the Simco MDC product, which is manufacturing data collection product. And what we do is here, we can actually monitor all of the machines in the shop floor.
So these are the machines that are out at the moment?
Yeah, so as you see behind you, what we have here is actually a map of our showroom. And we can see here that the machines, whether they're in green, they're running. If they're orange, they're in maintenance or idle. If they're red, they've stopped. And from here, from a production screen, we can see from a quick glance that 70% of machines are running here. They're all green. That's making me money. So that's a good benefit for us.
So I'm with Paul and Gary. The presentation, great presentation, guys. Well done. A lot of people again watching. The machine's now cutting. Paul, obviously our audience didn't hear some of the comments. We weren't live at that time. But what were you putting across about this Barbius machine?
Really, Paul, as you can see, there's a lot of interest in the machine. It's just to really stress the quality, the performance and the high precision of this machine. You know, it's German built to really, on the presentation it calls it the ultimate 5-axis machine, and I can't really argue with that.
That's a hell of a table as well, isn't it? This trunnion you've got here, driven both sides, supported both sides?
Yeah, it's a double torque trunnion. This is the smallest machine. This is the 800 diameter. As I mentioned earlier, there's also a 1200 and a 1600 as well.
I just caught two, I'm not sure what to call you really, gentlemen, sneaking around from the back. What have you been doing?
Just collecting magnets.
Unlike your personality, that is magnetic, my friend.
Thank you.
A little bit harsh there to the boss. I'm going to get thrown out. Steve, how's the day gone for you?
Oh, fantastic. You know, it was a great turnout from straight from the start. In fact, we actually had customers waiting at the door before you even got here.
That's because you weren't here. That's they were still locked.
I wasn't late.
Just clarify he was late. Anyway, Martin, what about you? How's it been?
Really good. Yeah, my voice is going, which is a good sign.
Is that because you've been shouting at all the people to get this place ready?
Exactly that, yeah.
I must say, it is absolutely fantastic. The crowds, everybody's commented how many there are. Is that because of the lunch or because of the machines?
A bit of both, I should think. You know, it's been a great turnout, so a lot better than we could ever expect, to be fair.
And this is day one, day two. What can we expect?
More of the same. Cut and paste.
Cut and paste. What about you? Anything for you?
Yeah. So again, we've got a VIP session tomorrow. So again, we'll have some more exclusive customers coming along.
Excellent. And make sure you're here on time because customers wait at the door. Martin, Steve, thank you very much. Great event, and it's not a proper event until you've got your own TD magnets.